yeah, look at that right there. Oh, whoa, whoa, it's getting rowdy there. Whoa. French fries. And Chinese fries. It's at the store in the trailer park that I live 6 months out of the year, basically. But anyway, it's not so much about the fries that I'm reviewing. It's more about, oh, let's get her, let's get her. I'm gonna have to move the camera so you can see that. I was afraid it was gonna fall. Alright, here we go. Let's try different voices. See how this tastes? You're gonna like it, I bet. Oh yeah, I bet I will. Oh, it's a good looking wrap. It's a big wrap. There's a bunch of chicken in there. They didn't spare on anything, skimp on anything. They're using bacon bits. That's a no-go. The tomatoes are fresh. The lettuce is fresh. It's juicy. That's very good. The chicken, it's freezer box chicken. What are you gonna do? Eat a fry, that's what I'm gonna do. They could have put more dressing on it. I'll just ask her next time. It's not like they're gonna say no. Thanks, Tina. You did a good job. I'm liking it. I'll come back for it at least one more time, easily. Not 20 more times. Maybe 10 more times. Look. It's good lettuce. Not bad lettuce. And then sometimes you are going to get the corner piece, the edgy piece. But I don't mind that. Kind of like it. There's a good portion of fries too. It was $18 or something. Don't quote me on it. Even the even that's good.